When it comes to versatile, durable cookware that enhances your cooking experience, this Bruntmor 2-in-1 square enameled cast iron Dutch oven baking pan with griddle lid stands out as a top contender. This beautiful, multifunctional cast iron cookware combines the best qualities of a Dutch oven, baking pan, and skillet into one amazing piece. Whether you're looking to bake, sear, braise, or roast, this cookware piece is designed to deliver perfect results every time, all while adding a pop of color and sophistication to your kitchen. If you're a home cook looking for a reliable, high-performance pan that can handle all your cooking needs, from savory bacon breakfasts to slow-cooked braised dishes, then this pan is exactly what you need. The Bruntmor 2-in-1 cast iron Dutch oven has earned its place as a kitchen essential for both beginners and seasoned chefs alike. But don't just take our word for it. Let's dive into what makes this cookware so special. The Bruntmor 2-in-1 cast iron Dutch oven is as versatile as it gets. With its dual-function design, this cookware piece seamlessly transitions from a shallow baking dish to a Dutch oven, providing the ideal cooking surface for multiple techniques. Whether you're preparing succulent roasts, crisp bacon, or delicious bread, the Bruntmor Dutch oven is your trusted companion in the kitchen. But versatility is just the start. This cookware is made from high-quality, enameled cast iron that boasts consistent heat retention, ensuring your food is cooked evenly every time. It also features a smooth, acid-resistant coating that not only prevents food from sticking, but also preserves the integrity and flavor of your dishes. Whether you're cooking for your family, entertaining guests, or just whipping up a quick meal, the Bruntmor cast iron will exceed your expectations. Key features and benefits. The Bruntmor 2-in-1 cast iron Dutch oven baking pan can be used as both a shallow baking dish and a Dutch oven. This dual-purpose functionality makes it perfect for a variety of cooking techniques, such as roasting, braising, baking, and searing. The included griddle lid adds even more versatility, allowing you to crisp up your meats, pancakes, or even toast bacon without worrying about messy splatters. This design truly gives you the best of both worlds in one cookware piece. Cast iron is renowned for its superior heat retention properties, and this pan is no exception. The Bruntmor Dutch oven distributes heat evenly across its surface, reducing hot spots and ensuring uniform cooking. This consistent heat retention is ideal for slow cooking, braising, and baking, giving you perfectly cooked meals every time. Whether you're searing steak or roasting vegetables, this pan guarantees optimal cooking results. The Bruntmor 2-in-1 cast iron pan is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven for a wide range of cooking styles. This makes it perfect for preparing dishes that require both searing on the stovetop and finishing in the oven, such as braises, casseroles, or roasted meats. Whether you need high heat for searing or lower temperatures for slow cooking, this pan is built to handle it all. The Bruntmor Dutch oven comes with a protective enameled cast iron coating that not only enhances the pan's durability, but also ensures food doesn't stick. This coating also helps preserve delicate stovetops from scratches and other damage. The smooth, acid-resistant surface makes it easy to clean after cooking, reducing your effort in the kitchen and keeping your cookware in pristine condition. A perfect balance of form and function, the Bruntmor 2-in-1 cast iron pan is available in a variety of vibrant colors that will brighten up your kitchen. Its sleek, modern design means it looks just as great on your stovetop or dining table as it does in the oven. It's not just a cookware piece, it's an aesthetic addition to any home chef's kitchen. One of the standout features of the Bruntmor Dutch oven is the dual-side handles that provide a secure, comfortable grip when moving the pan around. Whether you're pulling it out of the oven or transferring it from the stovetop to the table, the sturdy, ergonomic handles allow for easy handling, even when the pan is hot or full. Why choose the Bruntmor 2-in-1 square enameled cast iron Dutch oven? The Bruntmor 2-in-1 cast iron Dutch oven is perfect for anyone who wants to take their cooking to the next level. Whether you're an experienced cook looking for a high-quality pan or someone new to the kitchen who wants to make meal prep easier, this cookware has something for everyone. It's especially ideal for people who want the versatility of a multifunctional pan that can go from stovetop to oven with ease. Plus, The beautiful design and vibrant colors make it a standout addition to any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.